Red hardwired alarm, changing the battery. You can tell it's a hardwired alarm because it's got the green light on it. Feel around the outside and you'll see that little arm. Push that arm to the left and it swings open. There's the battery. If it doesn't have a battery there, it might have a 10-year battery, and there'll be a switch that says on or off. And if it has a 10-year battery, you cannot replace the battery. The alarm needs to be replaced, but you can switch it off. But normally, this is what you're going to see, a 9-volt battery. So you pull that battery out, and while it is out, you've got to press the test button on it, and it will drain down, like that. Now it'll be completely flat. Then you simply look at the battery, there's a positive and a negative, and you look on the alarm, there's a positive and a negative, and you put it in the right way and close it up. When you go to close it, push the switch across to not force it. That's it.